So just got this Mega Drive 2 here, and it's got no power. Well, it's a bit intermittent because this jack's very loose. And if you see, it's very loose. Not able to see it. Okay. See them moving pins? So the solders come away from the pads, I think. So just gonna reflow the solder, and that should fix it. It actually came on. It actually came on when I moved the cable around. Quite surprising, really, considering how loose they are, but hopefully this will fix it. How do we zoom in here? Just gotta wait for the soldering iron to heat up a bit. And yeah, all three of them seem to have come loose, but luckily the pads haven't seemed to have lifted up or anything, but if they had, they'll be all good. We'll just scratch back the trace here and bridge the solder and put a wire maybe. But yeah, hopefully this soldering iron actually is quite hot already. So yeah, definitely a common fault with these DC jacks. Something anyway. Surprised how quickly the soldering iron's heated up. Okay, one more. Easy fix.